Welcome to the Sequencing.com at-home DNA test kit review. Usage experience. Links to the product and relevant details are provided in the description below. Sequencing.com offers an innovative approach to DNA testing, combining advanced genomic analysis with an app-based platform to give users actionable insights into their health, wellness, and ancestry. This kit is designed for individuals who want to unlock the full potential of their genetic data, providing flexibility, transparency, and depth in understanding their DNA. The Sequencing.com process starts with a simple cheek swab that you send to their certified lab for processing. Once the results are ready, you can access them on the Sequencing.com platform, which is equipped with a suite of apps to interpret and analyze your data. These apps cover a wide range of topics, from personalized nutrition and fitness plans to genetic health risks, ancestry exploration, and even tools for understanding your predisposition to certain traits. One of the standout features is the ability to upload raw DNA data from other test kits, making Sequencing.com a versatile hub for consolidating and enhancing your genetic insights. What sets Sequencing.com apart is its focus on actionable intelligence and privacy. The platform uses advanced encryption to secure your genetic information while giving you full control over how it is used. Their universal compatibility approach ensures that you can keep using their tools as your DNA data evolves. The app library is constantly updated with new tools, meaning you'll continue to gain insights long after receiving your initial results. This service is ideal for those looking for a deeper, ongoing understanding of their genetics. It's particularly well-suited for tech-savvy individuals who want to leverage the app-based ecosystem to explore everything from wellness optimization to disease prevention. However, it may feel overwhelming to users seeking simpler, more straightforward DNA testing. In conclusion, Sequencing.com offers a powerful, app-driven experience for those who want to maximize the value of their genetic data. Its focus on privacy, compatibility, and actionable insights makes it a leading choice for the tech-forward and health-conscious user. Check the links in the description to explore the Sequencing.com DNA kit and its unique features today.